Because older people have to have something to look forward to, something to be ready for, something to care about.
Meet Julia Hawkins, an 108 years old American sprinter. She has set numerous records in the 100 meters race, and I'm sure that you're wondering what keeps Julia so youthful and energetic, and what is the reason behind her longevity. Today, we're going to find out the 5 secret foods Julia Hawkins eats to live longer and compete in races. So, stay till the very end if you don't want to miss any important part. Before we talk about what she eats, let's take a quick look at her early life. Julia Hawkins is a retired teacher grown in Louisiana who started running at the age of 80s, setting multiple world records in 100m and 200m races. She has a keen connection with nature and loves gardening as well. Even at this age, she keeps motivating us by running in 100-meter races and proving that nothing could be impossible. So, it's finally the time to break your curiosity and reveal the food she consumes. First up, we gotta know about leafy greens. Julia fuels her run by the power of greens like spinach and kale. Her day starts with a breakfast full of leafy greens and different kinds of fruits. We found that these veggies are packed with essential vitamins and antioxidants that help combat inflammation and support the overall health of an individual, making them feel more energetic. Leafy greens are not only nutritious but also versatile. If you don't like to eat them as salad, you can add them to smoothies or even soups. They're a powerhouse of nutrients that help Julia to stay young and vibrant and can help you as well. Julia enjoys yogurt. Yogurt is a rich source of probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that promote a healthy gut. A healthy digestive system is crucial for overall well-being, and Julia recognizes the importance of maintaining good gut health as part of her daily routine. Moreover, yogurt is packed with essential nutrients such as calcium, protein, and vitamins B2 and B12, which support bone health, muscle repair, and energy levels. We found that these nutrients are especially important for someone like Julia, who would love to lead an active lifestyle and participate in competitive sports. Plant-based proteins like beans and lentils are common in her diet, and Julia particularly enjoys them. Our research suggests that plant-based proteins are rich in essential nutrients such as fiber, vitamins, and minerals, which are crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being. Beans and lentils are excellent sources of protein, which is essential for muscle repair and growth, the reason behind her competitive nature. These foods also provide complex carbohydrates, which offer sustained energy release, helping her stay active and energetic throughout the day. So, don't forget to include them in your diet. Julia loves a variety of fruits, especially bananas, which are her favorite. Fruits are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are essential for maintaining good health. Fruits are naturally sweet and provide a quick energy boost. But do you wonder why Julia Hawkins loves bananas so much? Is there any connection between bananas and longevity? Let's discover. Bananas are packed with essential nutrients that support Julia's overall health and active lifestyle. One of the key benefits of bananas is their high potassium content. Potassium is vital for maintaining proper heart function and regulating blood pressure, which is crucial for longevity and overall cardiovascular health. As per Julia, minerals also help in muscle function and prevent cramps, making it beneficial for her to engage in physical activities such as sprinting. Bananas are also an excellent source of natural energy. They contain carbohydrates that provide a quick and sustained energy boost. Their natural sugars, combined with fiber, ensure that the energy is released gradually, helping her stay energized throughout her day. Now, you see why Julia eats so much bananas? The ultimate factor to longevity. With our hours of research, we found that Julia enjoys sipping on herbal teas like chamomile and green tea. These teas are not only soothing, but also loaded with antioxidants. Herbal teas help with relaxation, digestion, and overall well-being. After a day full of sprints, Julia gives her body a complete rest while drinking herbal teas. Staying hydrated with water is also crucial for maintaining energy levels and overall health. Julia never leaves her water bottle at home. She always keeps one with her. The reason behind this is as we age, our body needs more water to function properly and transfer nutrients from food we eat to different body parts. So, It's highly important to drink at least 3 to 4 liters of water per day and never stay dehydrated. And now, it's time for a special bonus. While Julia Hawkins might not consume this, pure shilajit is a powerful supplement known for its incredible health benefits. Pure shilajit is a mineral-rich substance found in the mountains. It's known for boosting energy levels, enhancing vitality, and supporting overall wellness. What's even more convincing is that just a small amount can provide your body a significant health boost. You can get the 100% pure shilajit from the link in our description. Particularly, if you age between 60 to 80 years, pure shilajit can rejuvenate your skin cells and help you to look like you're living in your 30s. Julia is really an inspiration for all of us, and we should incorporate these foods into our daily diet. I know many of you might have certain questions, so do write it down in the comments section and I'll personally reach you out. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon, or we might never meet again. Let's all take inspiration from Julia Hawkins and start incorporating these amazing foods into our diet. Until next time, stay healthy and live long.